Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh teman-teman. Jumpa lagi di TV Galeri Channel, kanal berbagi tutorial. Kita akan membuat bunga cantik ini dengan bahan dasar pita saten.
What I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it.
Alhamdulillah,
It's only worth it if you
bunga
work
kita sudah
for it.
jadi. Tutorial sudah selesai ya. Kalau suka dengan tutorial ini, silahkan klik like. Kalau ingin berlangganan tutorial saya selanjutnya, silahkan klik subscribe juga. Ada kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf ya. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih.